Hello everyone. Well, we've successfully created the custom shapes. Now let's go all in, wear our artistic hats, and design the most creative presentations that we can. Let's get started. Before that, quickly go to our channel, subscribe to it, and hit the like button if you like this video. Also, let us know in the comment section if you have any questions on this topic or want us to cover any specific thing in MS PowerPoint.
The next slide that we have is a picture with some text here. Okay, so let's see how we can create this. Adding another slide. This time I'm inserting a picture. So this is the picture that we have. Right? We can extend it, cover the entire screen. Now, there are two ways to arrive at a picture which is covering your 60%, right? Almost 60% of your screen. One is to resize it. How do we resize it? We resize it like this. Is it looking good? No, no. So that is why we use the option of cropping. We have this image with us. You go to picture tools, right? Format picture tools, and you have the option of crop. When you click on crop, you have different arrow signs available across the picture, black colored arrow signs. You'll select the bottommost arrow sign, right, and crop the image somewhat here. Now you can see a preview here also towards the left side, how much we have cropped. You can crop it outside. Now this is almost 60%. Let's click and see if we have achieved our purpose. Yes, we have. Right, now we can simply add some text here using word art again, and this slide would be ready in the exact same format. Increase and decreasing the text size. Simply copy this text, right? Paste it, right? Or we can say Airbnb. Change it to red color. Right, and then create a copy of it and add any tagline that we want. Right, finding homes. It's the tagline. We can reduce the size. It can fit somewhere here. Right, we can add another tagline on the top, just like we have this one.